Hi there. My name is Jared Duquette, and I'm the new Wildlife Division Chief for the DNR, and also a very avid hunter myself. And I first and foremost want to congratulate you on receiving one of our very, very coveted elk licenses here in the state of Michigan. Many of you probably been putting in for several years, or maybe you were lucky enough to get it on your first time putting in your application. So congratulations. I'm really excited for you. Probably not as excited as you are. But I also want to do a little, virtual welcome here. Normally I would do this in person, but just want to welcome you to the orientation. You're going to learn a lot here. We have a lot of great resources, a lot of great knowledge, and especially a lot of staff that have put a lot of thought and done this for several years, can really help answer your questions. But be sure that, all your questions are answered to make sure you have a safe and successful hunt. And I also want to thank you for continuing to be part of the conservation of wildlife here in the state of Michigan. As you probably know, your application fees, your license dollars are very important to funding wildlife conservation and restoration efforts, for that matter, of species like elk or a plethora of species here across the state, and including the habitats and how we manage those. So thank you for your continued contributions there. But also, if you take out hunters, or maybe you're thinking about taking out a new hunter, passing on that tradition is so important, so we can continue to, have the revenue and the folks out there continuing to be a very important part of our wildlife management here in the state. So if you have any questions, feel free to reach out to our staff. Hopefully you'll get everything that you need in this orientation. And like I said, again, congratulations. Very excited for you. And I hope you have a very safe, fun, and successful hunt. And I look forward to seeing some photos.